Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kalaoa, local and long distance movers near me. An interstate or intrastate relocation of more than 50 miles is a long distance move at 3 Movers. The cost and difficulty of relocating increases in direct proportion to the distance traveled. We'll give you a quote based on the number or volume of stuff you're moving. At 3 Movers, we don't see distance as a limitation. We will come up with a relocation plan for you, taking your hectic schedule into account. Our movers are the industry's finest. They possess all long distance and interstate driving permits. Most of them have been working here for several years now. Hence, they have the experience and expertise to handle any magnitude of possessions our clients have. In addition, all your fragile and confidential possessions are in safe hands during the relocation process. Residents of Kalaoa can enjoy organized local moving services by hiring 3 Movers. Because our local moves are generally within the 50-mile radius, they are less costly than a long-distance relocation. Our local moving services cost between $30 and $40, so you won't have to break the bank to use our services. Sorting, packing, loading, and transporting your possessions will be a breeze with the help of our professional movers. Let us know when you're ready to relocate within Kalaoa, and we'll make sure you have the best moving experience possible. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kalaoa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.